In this guide, I'll show you how to sign into the PlayStation Network and reset a forgotten password on PS5. So, the first thing you want to do is scroll over to PlayStation Store, and if you're not signed in, you'll be able to sign in and connect here. Then, what you want to do is scan the QR code if you're using the PlayStation app, or you can sign in manually at the bottom with your email and password. Now, take a look in the bottom right corner, you'll see Can't Sign In, so you want to press triangle on your controller. And once you're here, it's going to show your sign in ID email address, and you just want to ensure that's correct. Then, what you want to do is select Next at the bottom. And what it's going to say is it sent a password change notification to that email. So, what you want to do is go to that email inbox. And once you do, you will get this email from Sony asking you to recover your account. So, go ahead and select Recover Your Account. And then it's going to ask you to create a passkey or create a password. So I'm going to select create a password. And once we're here, you want to enter in a password that's strong and so you don't get hacked or anything like that. And once you've done that, press OK. Now come back to your PS5, and if you click through here, you'll see the option to sign in now to the PlayStation Network. And you just want to use that email address and your new password. So I'm going to go to sign in manually. And once you've input your password, you can select sign in. And it's going to prompt you to secure your account so you can turn these features on if you'd like. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.